Yo, me check your bibia. And we be say umpire ja, or I say we be say umpire ja. So I hope say lights and you okay. Let me see. So me ba me jina for Kwame Nche. I say akobam level no what I say. So Common Sense family. Common Sense family. Omo tichi ne mebo Ghana. Sunsun so e ba Ghana manim. What I say. Common Sense family. Omo tichi ne mabia sunsun so na e ba Ghana manim. Na amanfo bebre ni ma ho. Ene me be tramo ne mabia evil acts are a result of this Common Sense family no. What I say, ebia woni me nyadwen but ene me ba be trew ene ma bia e to sini Ghana ni nyaya because of this Common Sense family. All they make sure no. First of all, you're starting free Christosom. What I say, ebia na me nyanya me som ni, ebia na me su Christo bia me som bosom, ebia na me komalam ho. Na so no na Obia or Common Sense did that on the amateur. Obia is soon adjoined that. Here's the case and Kophobia Bamusom a Common Sense family. And these people, what they are saying, they say you should drink. And more being can't also be aquaconam, assassin cocoa be so. Name no, Dumre, what brought to Hoya, what you say. And more being can't say, I Snahodi Yame Bay, you should drink. You know what I'm saying? So, near some coffee way in our chair say, so what you want to say a comedy when I saw to hear ma, Cocoyo near bonnet, not for live life because there's no heaven, there's no earth. What I say, Common Sense family say, heaven be anyhow, and I brought some jam be anyhow. So if somebody say, there's no heaven, not say, there's no Brunsam jam there, it means say, Bonnie Suniho. And a papa yeni ho. Maybe church on my be brissisia out yourself. Ghana for ye that they are here this kind of Common Sense family no. Baby at the Ghana be do no. What you say? Obi atnase. Adia or yard me say na no ding. Now I don't know Ghana for this yenye debate no. Debate no see etimi de bomb pese dio. And I say debate near the day you. And apa be sham yenye debate. Opa be sham yenye debate. Obi a throw message be go abontain a message o throw ni say heaven ni ho bonsam jam ni ho. Say if there's no heaven there na there's no bonsam jam there it means say boni ni ho na papa ni ho na me ba be busa o say me ni omienu say if say boni ni ho na say papa ni ho no mo a wonim ne besi e bi na ne astatisi no what I say yan hwa ade bi say wo ho no na me van say woni sika oho kire pa nanso no wo ani da so se obi se onyame beye the word onyame beye no e ma wo to obo ase e ma akoma to yam because unim se e beyi hwe let's say obi be ka se na me no madam for bi dia chinye o se there's law in a country this odi bonia law ni benya oni ade na me busa say baby ti say Ghana na Ghana police o mani o baby kakra bi what I say enye the whole Ghana police team call no na obi e share akra bi ase na akra bi upon school na if say enye sa thinking say onyame beye na e hye ni patim na say me di boni a me ko bronsam jam no which this bronsam jam no Common Sense family see any ho na akra upon school e bia wona mura bi mo ko hye o maame we share papa bi papa ne betimi ya ne boni bebre na so papa ne nim say oh me ya akrai didi a me ko bronsam jam e bia na me ne umienu ye nim say bronsam jam bia ni ho no e bia na me ne umienu ye nim say have bia ni ho na so no this kind of thing na ye dia tena free nkora brem say bronsam jam ho e na heaven so ho no e be ma sa boni na nkenipa no pese odi no obega say se me ye akrai boni a me ko bronsam jam These are the things that help Ghana till today. And this like a crime rate I call so Ghana now. Because even a breach compa or more technology, you check, you investigation I can say crano, and near me a coso. Say this kind of Yamisro and a bronsam jump and a heaven near the day, and I'm a year papa make heaven and Carbonia because of Ghana. And then common sense family teaches say there is no heaven, there is no hell. It means sa boni e koso Ghana nyina na common sense family for na e boa man koso because omo catch on followers say heaven ni ho na brosem jam ni ho. It means osofo ya okọ kokun ni wife onimisa brosem jam bia ni obekọ baabi enti okunu kwa atona twene e teachings from common sense family omo na teach sa ade no eye ekuo bia o se Ghana ban shed na ni ko ho what you say obi bedi ubone because when me say bronsam jam ni ho now so first near to the dano obi ko bibia wo gye ho ka say no I won't do this because say me ko bronsam jam. Somebody is there saying say there's no bronsam jam nti do nua bone bibia anyo me nye papa because so your papa and for so bia ni so there's no heaven nti me nye papa when nkofo abeti o mana when nkofo a ubenya time eti o mo menua ebia na wo hwe me ne I'm not against anybody. I'm for Ghana and I'm for say yeah this kind of teachings I share with friend brim say ye papa ma onua menye bone. Somebody is saying say Bible obi na de bae e na ya gya tum obi so na de iPhone ya me de videos ya ba ana sankofo na so eyisu iPhone no enti wusu dinachi no common sense no obi oso obi me the Bible about me and Jintu because some ya brofo Bible ne henfo dia nanso no ye iPhone no wanya bi de ye life ama wo hwe no the laws in the country most of the laws a free Bible nim ebia na wonje Bible ndi it's okay nanso Bible no ade a ewo mu no e kire enipa manipa eye enipa papa what I say obi abase menjindi enipa na kire enye say enipa na no so menjindi na brofo ne de bae no o yisu abrofo ne ma ne mo Bible na e be kire say yo nua papa mendi bone ko bronsam jam no o ka kire say Bible ne nya bronsam jam ni ho enti di bone bone e koso o Ghana nyina Abraham na chididom omo na e boa ma ne koso ni yesu so ani say antichrist be ba what I say yes antichrist be ba antichrist when you think antichrist be ba ni again say obi obeba ni hu bio antichrist on any Abraham awaba no antichrist what I say antichrist on any Abraham awaba no me no ebia na ahwem ba bia obi an so wuti o teaching sa mo wani na honom o see use common sense it's okay obi ye video bi o say obi ye video bi o say akra ya wona foforo ono kra no so penufu anoma me se de me se so penufu anoma on konko titi o ma mi achi wana so onkono ma me trimi na emum ohu se nufu ne body boso etimi se common sense ya wo ketekete kra wo bi anya no no mo kire o ni o mo kire ne se o mo promote bone heaven ni ho brosam jam ni ho it means say dunia bone na heaven bia ni ho no dunia bone na wunya so aso twen no so bi ka cho say wuwu a ba bia ni ho a wokọ obi ampanehwa na menua me ne o ka say obi sori anopa no ofase kana so ofatuo no otikejetia kantamanto no okuni pa be de o honom owie no okunu ho a it means say nipa no ko free nyesa because there will be no justice after owuachi bibia ni o sana common sense for kire what you say sana common sense o mo kire o sorry I also ye hwan follower we hwan are you thinking about these things so obi kire bibi no person o kire say wudi bone krompa obi ampanehwe after death obi ampanehwe you are happy o follow no hey yakokan na mudi atem what I say yakokan na mudi atem say obi sorry nas obeye bone a eye nyamesuro ntino onye bone no but I know be about all show say ye bonnet di bonnet. Avram nene for or money eche sagana for ni bonnet. Now there is no punishment. What I say? Mother munji on a moon Jimmy sa brofo kasia with Jimmy brofo na very other. Maintain a main can use you free. Obi aba fulimo. Obi aba na no din. Or no bien na kase or yeah Jumama Bronsam. Avram bien na no can say or no he's working for Bronsam. You are there who follow no. Ye kasa antichrist beba no. Na kasa antichrist no ba abeben ukuta beben yesa. Oni Avram ne nkrofo no na antichrist no. Ye kasa antichrist enye obi abodia o ukuta bodia o. Ne obi a o against Christians. Oni ne Avram. What you say? And o chenchere bone say common sense. Obi anso common sense ni bi. Ye wo akrafo kra obi. Eti ubedi bone a oni se bone udi bone na obi ampanish wu. There's no heaven, there's no hell. Any power in a mudinachi. We are part 1. What you say? The man came here about here and Johnson. Hey, medium bestia say, you remember the next face. What you say? The next face of a the church will be bia. Now, dear, Muntie, Sam Quasa Seminole. More activity notification. The bala bia this time on Avram Church and you be beam because here I share more being promoted bonnet or my Ghana. Ye take Ghana and you so nyame. What you say? Trust me, Buso assemble, sell on chill, yeah, or chill. Now we need baby our befoul. We need baby our befa. I dear friend say nyame beye. Dachi nyame beye and no, ena a dear nam kakran. They think I want to any now we need more beer, now we need say nyame beye. Dachi beba, a community again I beye on. Obi aba cho say heaven be any ho busam jam be any ho no enye wadwe say ubewu akonante gold so enti dibone wasasi su ase because wonya papa anya hwe obi ampane show you are happy o ba be di atama mo de munjimi sa midim basia say e chena besa ba be another chapter what you say